Today we are out and about in North Cornwall. Where are we going, David?
Well, it's lovely to have this opportunity to be with you, Matt. So we've gone to St Genny Church and we're just about to go, we're just about to go along the coast path, down High Cliff into Crackington Haven, known as Crackington Toast Grommet, and then we're going to go up the valley along what's called Love Lane and back to St Genny's.
Excellent.
Great.
Looking forward to it. Let's crack on. So we're now at High Cliff on the north side of Crackington Haven. You can see Crackington Haven just down there below us. Great views from the cliffs and the north coast.
This could be my lucky day.
Back onto the road, which is quite steep, and we're going back up to the church. And there's grass in the middle of the road. Yeah.
This is St Genny's, and I don't know who St Genny was. There we are, back at the car. Lovely little walk. I will leave a route and see you next time.